Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to undo send email in Gmail mobile app after 30 seconds. Okay, so you're probably wondering why am I doing this on desktop? Well, because you can't do it from mobile app, and the settings you will do here and changes you make on the desktop browser will also apply to your account on your mobile. So that's so that you understand why I'm doing this from PC. Okay, so to start, log in into your Gmail, click on here to all settings, select all settings. After that, navigate to a general tab row, should be here. And as you can see, the third tab, the third row with a setting called undo send is the one you need to be adjusting. So if you want to send your cancellation period to 30, as you can see, this is the maximum that the server allows. Just set it to 30. By default, it's set to 5, set to 30, and then the next time you try this same operation, like deleting your email or something, on your phone, it will be also synced, right? It's account wide, doesn't matter which device you're using, even maybe if you're using a tablet, literally doesn't matter. And then it's going to be successfully switched to 30 seconds. And now you have more than enough time to press that undo button if you've messed up, for example. So pretty simply done, guys. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you in the next one.